speak it in sign language for you. Oh?
Oh shit.
Golden, it's too long. It doesn't fit on my screen.
Oh shit.
I gotta be eating pasta with this?
Dr. Fiddle, you fool. I don't have a respiratory system.
Who said I have citizenship? I'm not legal.
Okay, but no one's arguing the fact that I don't have a respiratory system.
How you breathing? Do you just photosynthesize?
Dude, I'm a cyborg.
No, yeah, you photosynthesize.
No, I just drink slurp. Okay, I might already be infected, actually. I live off a slurp, so that I am unsure if I'm contaminated. And when I'm unsure, that usually means
maybe we should move back from this.
We gotta celebrate our differences.
Alright.
So I don't.
Well, the pirate village is home. So.
Ah, man. Guess I should probably try and make sure there's nothing left in my shop.
Hey, it's a rave.
Fan.
Oh.
Run.
Well, gun shop, it was nice knowing ya.
Yeah,
maybe if I ever find that one container from chapter 1, I can start my shop back up. It was an honor serving with you.
Yeah, I'm getting robbed like 5 times.
Yes, I go to the complete other side.
I hired someone to rob my shop, man.
You got to the complete other side.
We'll stay inside here until the bunk.
They just got struck by lightning. Are we gonna talk about that?
Hey, wait a second. Why is Dr. Fiddle here?
No! Don't lock me out. Uh-oh.
Wait a minute, I just
Lucky me.
Go back.
Wow.
Go back to hub for part 2.
Oh, gamer.
Oh.
The explosion.
Why does it still say go back to hub for me? And I love them.
You're square. That makes it worse.
Be there or be square.
Oh.
I guess my sunglasses weren't there. Wait, why is the bed not here anymore? There's a bed up here. Canonically removed.
Well, 6 minutes, you know what's going on in the bed. I
mean, we can cannibalize each other, so...
Wait, no, Ark canonically tore it apart for gun parts.
Oh, there's bugs up here.
Oh, there's one.
I don't... Where's the gun?
Yes, lever action!
Where's the gun?
Oh yeah, baby. Oh,
I love lever action weapons.
Found the gun.
Wait, so he's gonna kill us because we don't... Wait, I must check on my gun shop. This is the only thing I care about.
We just reloaded at the same time.
Ah, darn, I guess I didn't have any guns in the store. I probably should have collected those.
In a world where astronauts...
Oh, wait, we have big irons.
Guess who's getting muted?
Oh, that's guitar.
Oh my god, the spinny guns! They like spinny. Look, they're so spinny.
Wait, that's a dungeon. So it's a bunker. Ah, cool.
I don't know. Look at them spin.
Over here. Looks like the diner. Oh, no.
Hey, look, it's my important location. I hope doesn't get destroyed.
We do have 500 health, plus 600 health, so maybe.
Yeah, you can't pick up stuff.
Yeah. Hit W096. Oh, Woomy.
Who's that? Oh. I thought it said horny Woomy. Oh. I got your back, homie. Where's Woomy? We need to protect Woomy. I got you. My epic gamer screenshot time.
Crisscross on here it is. Oh, lag. That's gonna be fun to deal with, isn't it?
Let's do minimum damage. My back hurts.
This bitch is just screwing me over at the race course.
Woomy, stay still, I need you. Yeah, there we go. Where you get the cool weapon? Gold and where did you get the funky weapons?
Oh, there's another arrow over here.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Let's see, looks like... Yeah,
Yeah, don't mind him. I'm protecting Woomy right now. That's me. Oh my god. That's probably me. Oh my god, that's probably...
there's like playing Call of Duty Zombies is what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an arrow over here. I'm like, oh fuck, I should be there.
It's actually
I used
Woomy
to rule the
simping
world,
simulator.
now I'm
We just simp Woomy.
Hold on. Out of here. These boxes. Look, I fell in the boxes. Look, easy.
Yes.
It's quirky.
Oh hey, let's get quirky. Let's get quirky.
Oh, lettuce? Nice.
Look at me. Go.
To the bunker. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Apex Legends. Wait, I have dialogue now.
All right, here we are.
Epic bunker.
To be continued. Oh damn.
No.
It's season 6. Oh shit.
Oh yes. Wait.
Oh shit. What?